Good morning, my name is Kyle and I'm your tire and service expert. Today we're going to be talking about a 2014 Chevy Sonic 2.0 liter turbo and how ridiculous it is to replace a radiator that calls for 7.5 hours labor. Now there's a lot easier ways probably to remove this thing, but Chevy and the manufacturers or engineers made this thing just dumb. And I'm going to give you a small little case study of, bam, look at the front end. You have to remove the whole clip. My technician is removing the hoses as we speak. But going into it, this whole thing has to be removed just to get to this backside of the radiator that is connected to the condenser. Also, the support will have to come off. But you have already seen that we have parts of taking off the front end clip of a 2012 Chevy Sonic. Please like, subscribe, give me a comment. Thank you very much. I'm Kyle Melvin and I'm your tire and service expert.